Da, da, da. Hey, frustrated marketers! Welcome to this tutorial, and today we're going to talk about Snagit. We're going to talk about Snagit, but first I want to tell you a little bit about me. I love marketers, and I love to increase their superpowers. And I want to increase your superpowers, so sit back, relax, and follow me to the lab. Okay, here we are at the lab. Finally, I am so excited to be talking about Snagit 2018. And right now, the beautiful part that I like about Snagit, the brand new Snagit, that it is right up here and it is out of my way. If you notice that the others had a sidebar where you could put it any other area, but it was really in the way. We are going to talk about Snagit and also the free trial that they're doing. So if you are looking for Snagit, it's not going to break the bank. I really love this Snagit. I'm going to put my link on the bottom, and they are going to be talking about what's going on with Snagit and also the pricing. Let me show you the pricing before. It is $49.95 for a single license. It is not bad. I mean, for $49 one time for a single license, it's absolutely fantastic. It's compatible with Windows and Mac. It's got a 30-day money-back guarantee, the one that I'm going to give you, and also you're going to have a free trial for it, and I believe it is for 15 days, a free trial, which is really great. Okay, so you're going to check this out. You're gonna use it for 2 weeks. You have a 30-day money-back guarantee. They're only gonna charge you $49.95 for a one-time fee, and you're gonna be able to use it at all times. The beautiful part, let's go back now. Now, if you're going to use it individual, there's a couple of things that they do with this. You could capture anything with Snagit. Capture anything on your screen, just like you see this GIF right now. And it's really nice. So the nice part is if I'm coming here, I could just grab that. But I could also grab this if I wanted to. Another nice part is that you could edit different things with Snagit, that you have callouts. So you could number them right over here, and also you could call out if you have communicate. If you want to communicate your group, you could do that as well. Look at that. You could definitely delete things if you want. So let's say, for instance, I'm going to copy this. Delete this if I wanted to out of the picture. If I want to delete this little thing over here, I can. Or I want to blow it up and look at it, I can as well. Show anything, I just want to get rid of that. Or if I want to drag and drop this over to the side, I can as well. I could even stretch it around a little bit, or I could leave it the same way it was, which is really nice. If I want to make it smaller, to go back, I could drop it back. If I want to take this and bring it over to here, I can, or I could do a call out. Call out here is pretty easy. Let's say, for instance, if I wanted to call this out and say, hey, take a look at this, I could send that to my group, or I could send it to my clients. Hey, check this out. And also you could change the color if you want. If you feel uncomfortable and you want it black, you can make it black. If you want to change out the call outs, you could do it like that. I mean, it's very, very interactive, very easy, the 2018, and I feel that it's much, much better. After I got a chance to use this, definitely I got much better at using this. And it only took me about 2 weeks to get used to it. Put arrows and stuff like that, you could do that. Pointing, and you could change it around. If you want to do some sort of effects like a broken glass, you could do that as well. It's pretty cool. I've used that for restaurants because I am working with marketers or with local businesses. They love this because they want to be able to know that you could do all different kinds of things. So Snagit is definitely one of the best things that I use in my business. And if you want to use something like this, you're going to look like a professional. Another thing is they deliver different kinds of things if you want to screencast. One of the things that I like is, let's say for instance, if I want to capture this and I want to make it into like a GIF, I could record it, ready to record, and it starts recording, which is very, very nice. Another good thing that they have is that you could share it here. When you press here, you could do either a screencast, you could email it, the screencast I love because you don't have to email anybody. What you could do is just grab it, screencast it, send it out. So you could send it just like this, and you could see you get the link. Once you click on it, you get the link and you send it out, which is really nice. And it's 60 times faster in the text. Honestly, if you're considering Snagit, I would highly recommend you getting Snagit because it's truly really, really good system. It's very interactive and it shows you a lot of different things. I'm going to put a link so you could see this video for yourself. So hope this tutorial was helpful for you in making a decision and getting one of the best Snagit 2018. I want to thank you for seeing this video. Don't forget to click on like, share the video, and if you have a comment, remember, I would love to hear from you, and definitely like the page and grab the link down below. I appreciate it. That's my link, and you have a great day.